way that sounds. Little Jimmy Jackson is jacking up his Bronco. He's gonna lay a little rubber later on at the truck. Oh, and all the girls are getting pretty, they're spraying on the white rain. Yeah, they're gonna get rowdy tonight down at the football game.